In this video, we're going to show you how to manufacture hand sanitizers. Although there are a number of active ingredients used in hand sanitizers, the most effective sanitizing products are based on alcohol and typically have an alcohol content of at least 60%. This is usually blended with an aqueous dispersion of carbomers such as Carbopol to provide the gelling effect, although some products are lower viscosity for use in foam dispensers. Formulations vary widely, but also include surfactants and moisturizers to protect the skin. Fragrance and coloring may occasionally be added. One of the key steps in the manufacturing process is the dispersion of the Carbopol to form the base gel. Obtaining an agglomerate-free dispersion is essential to ensure a clear, bright gel after neutralization. Aeration must also be minimized, as it is difficult to get air out of the product once the gel has been formed. Low-density powders can be difficult to incorporate into liquids with a conventional agitator, and this can lead to dusting problems and aeration. The high shear action of a Silverson mixer will rapidly wet out and disperse the powder, resulting in an agglomerate-free solution in a short mixing cycle. And because the turbulence is all below the surface, aeration is minimized. For larger batches, Silverson inline mixers offer completely aeration-free processing as the mixer, pipework, and vessel form a closed system. We can provide mixers suitable for operation in explosion-proof zones and also offer high viscosity models and powder liquid mixers for bulk dispersion of Carbopol and other powders. Want to find out more? Contact us today.